Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Stock market today, Dow bears sharpened close as recession. For specifics, investing calm, the Dow closed sharply lower on the week and briefly fell into bear market territory. Friday is investor free about the potential of a deeper and darker recessions amid growing worries the Federal Reserve will overshot on rate hikes. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 1 over points and fell into bear market territory intraday as losses. From the January peak, the fall closed its lowest since June. The Nasdaq slipped, energy slumped, pressured by a short in the dollar and worries that a deeper global recession will hurt energy demand. First of all recessions have intensified this week after the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell signaled that the central bank would remain omniscient to curb inflation at the expense of economic growth. The Fed pushed its rate hike forecast up from previously signaling further jumbo-side hikes ahead, with the Fed hiking rates into a slowing economy in which inflation is still well above trend. Morgan Stanley warned the week's and economic activity will be more broadly spread. The bank cut its use growth forecast in 2022 from previously and 2023 forecast not from previously. The Dow was also dragged lower by a more than 5 plank in Boeing after the explosive company said it had raising 1 million settlement and charges it misled investors about the mid-crisis consumer stocks, which are also currently vulnerable to slowing economic growth, fell more than 2% as investors pressed its software consumer spending. Amazon slipped more than 3 while travel and leisure stock dependent their losses for the week, with cruise line and casino stock coming under heavy pressures. Tech stock also played a big role in the broader market meltdown. Meanwhile, fell more than 3 as Wall Street cost debate and whether the shipping gains cost-saving measures will be enough to offset falling shipping volumes and higher inflations. The company released fiscal third quarter results that fall short of estimates by announced plans to ramp up shipping rates and generate total cash savings of 1 billion to 7 billion. The cost-saving numbers, while impressive on a headline basis, is likely not nearly enough in the context of high inflation and declining volumes, the Deutsche Bank said in a note. Stock market today, Dow bears sharpened close a recession first weeks. The Dow closed sharply lower on the week and briefly fell into bear market territory. Friday is investor free about the potential of a deeper and darker recessions amid growing worries that the Federal Reserve will overshot on rate hikes. The Dow Jones Industrial Average a point and fell into bear market territory intraday as loss exceeded from the January peak. The closed its lowest level June. The Nasdaq space energy slumped 6%, pressured by a surge in the dollar and worries that a deeper global recession will hurt energy demand. Marathon Platform Corp, Pulver Corporation, and Kinder Morgan were down each down more than first of recessions have intensified this week after the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell signaled that the central bank would remain on mission to curb inflation at the expense of economic growth. The Fed pushed its rate hike forecast for 2022 up from previously signaling further jumbo-side hikes ahead, with the Fed hiking rates into slowing economy in which inflation is still well above trend. Morgan Stanley warned that weakness in economic activity will be more broadly spread. The bank cut its use growth forecast in 2022 from previously and its 2023 forecast to from previously. The Dow was also dragged lower by more than 5 long in Boeing after the Airbus company said it had raising at 1 million settlement and charges it missed investors about the mixed-cars consumer stocks, which are also currently vulnerable to slowing economic growth. Fall more than spending. Amazon slipped more than will travel and leisure stock defend their loser for the week, with cruise line and casino stock coming under heavy pressures. Takes Plata first Fed's meanwhile fell more than 3 as Wall Street cost up and whether the swing against cost-saving measures will be enough to offset falling shipping volumes and higher inflation. The combined plans to ramp up shipping rates in generate total cost saving of 1 billion to 7 billion. Maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.